Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for Social Security retirement online. Alright, so let's begin. Applying for Social Security retirement benefits online is a straightforward and convenient process. The Social Security Administration SSA provides a step-by-step guide and an online application that helps retirees secure their benefits without needing to visit an office. Here's a detailed walkthrough to help you complete your application in just a few steps. Social Security retirement benefits provide a monthly income to eligible retirees. These benefits are based on your work history and the age at which you choose to start claiming them. You can begin receiving benefits as early as age 62, or you can delay until age 70. For maximum monthly payments, it's important to understand your full retirement age. If you were born between 1943 and 1954, your full retirement age is 66. If you were born after 1960, it is 67. The longer you wait up to age 70, the higher your monthly benefit will be due to delayed retirement credits. Before applying, you should first check your eligibility. You must be at least 62 years old to apply for early retirement benefits, while full benefits are available between ages 66 and 67 depending on your birth year. You also need 40 work credits, which is roughly equal to 10 years of work. Additionally, you must be a US citizen or a legal resident to qualify. Next, gather all the required documents to ensure a smooth application process. You will need your Social Security number for identity verification, a birth certificate or certified proof of birth, and detailed work history including employer names and employment dates. You'll also need your bank account and routing numbers for direct deposit. If applicable, have marriage or divorce records ready for spousal or divorce benefits, as well as military records if you served in the armed forces. To apply, visit the official Social Security website by searching for ssa.gov, log in using your credentials, or create an account if you don't already have one. Creating an account requires your Social Security number and some basic personal information. Once signed in, navigate to the retirement section and begin the application for retirement benefits. During the application, you'll need to provide personal details, your intended retirement start date, and your work history. You'll also enter your payment details by adding your bank account information for direct deposit. Before submitting, carefully review all the information to ensure accuracy. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation number that allows you to track your application. Once your application is submitted, you can monitor its status by logging into your Social Security account. Most applications are processed within 6 to 8 weeks. You'll be able to check updates online, and once approved, you'll receive a notification by letter or email. Payments will begin based on the retirement date you selected. Applying online is the most efficient way to secure Social Security retirement benefits. And that's it. So that's basically how to apply for Social Security retirement online. So that's all for this video.